Welcome to my brief tutorial about printing with a C64 and the emulated printer on the Ultimate II Plus. I enter the menu of the Ultimate II Plus and immediately go to the settings with F2. So now in firmware 3.11 there are two menu entries. One is for the soft IEC and the other one is for printer settings. Earlier this was combined into one entry only. First we should change printer setting. By default it's disabled. So let's enable it. I also changed the output file path to a location on the flash drive so that I can easily FTP the output onto my PC. You can take some other settings like the output format, character set and what kind of emulated printer. I think this is pretty obvious and you can play around with it. A bit less obvious on 3.11 is that the whole thing only seems to work if you additionally turn on the IEC drive. So without this setting being enabled, it did not work for me with the printing. Okay, now let's just save that. We can leave now the menu again of the Ultimate II. And now I prepared a little program, just a very small basic program, which does nothing else than printing Hello World onto device number 4, which is actually the printer. So let us execute this thing, and now it should have printed. Okay, so let's go to the Ultimate II again with the middle button, go on the flash drive, enter, and printer output. This is where I configured my PNG files to arrive, and we can see here is nothing. This is because the output file is not generated immediately as soon as you print a little text into the virtual printer. So it only is generated after, I guess, some buffer is full, which in this case is definitely not the case. And so we need to use the F5 and can navigate to the printer menu. And here is an option to flush eject. So this is similar to a form feed on a physical printer. Now the PNG file is being generated and it's also in the directory which I have specified as the output. Okay, now let's take a look at the resulting file. So here I'm at the Mac in FileZilla, just connecting to the Ultimate II. Here's now the directory structure. So my file is in flash printer output. Can double click to copy it and then right click to open. And now this is what it looks like. So it looks like an emulated, printed paper page, and we can zoom in here a bit. So nicely .matrix printed text like we would expect in a graphics file or in a PNG file. I hope this video was interesting for you and thanks for watching.